Hello and good day. This is the cs50 Web programming with Python and JavaScript. This is the mail JavaScript project which I'm going to explain in this video. Well, the first thing I'm going to explain is about the compose email. I have a form right here I have to fill in. This is the two right here who I'm going to send. I'm going to send it to this person or that email. What is the title, the subject, and the subject is new employees, and I've already prepared some content right here. Want to paste it right there. These are the BR tags of HTML. They are just for the line breaks. I've added right here, and I just click on send. When I click on send, the email is sent. You can see it right here, email sent successfully, and that email appeared right here, which is in the send mailbox. Well, the second thing is about these buttons, inbox, sent box, and also archive mailbox. When I click on any of them, it shows me the related email to these boxes. I have 2 emails in my inbox and 3 emails on my sent box. I have nothing in my archive box, but I can just go into any of them and just archive them. And now if I go back to my archive, I can see right here. Anyway, well, something you may have noticed is that this email was sent, but the background is white, the font is bold, because it is unread. When I click on them, it is marked as read, and see, because I have entered to this email. When I go back to my inbox, the background color changes, the font changes to normal, because now this email is read. Anyway, now the third thing is the third thing is about the content. When I just click on this email or any box, now I can see the content of this email, who the sender is, who the recipients are, which date it was sent, what is the subject, and also the content of the email. It can be in sent box. I can click on them, and now I can see the same thing, the information about the email. The archive box, I can click on it and I can see all the information about that. The next thing is about the archive and unarchive button. Well, what I would like to tell you is that in inbox, in archive box, there's an additional button that is archive in inbox. When I click on archive, this email is marked as archive and goes to the archive mailbox. You can see it right here. Now if I click back on it and just click on archive, it just goes back to the inbox right here. You can see, and I have only one email in my archive. Well, one last thing is about the reply button in inbox, sent, or maybe archive button, any of them. When I click on them, I have another button which is reply. When I click on reply, some fields are pre-filled, the recipient is pre-filled, the subject line is pre-filled. It is the content of the email which was pre-filled, the original email plus the sender and the date. I can just reply on this. For example, it was about CV, and I would say, okay, dear Mr. Alavi. Now one BR for break line. I have received your email. I have received your CV. Now that's all. Let me just make it correct, by the way. Now regards, and after regards, just want to write my name. That's all. When I click on send button, now this email is sent. You can see email sent successfully, and the email shows up in the sent box. You can see right here the email I sent. See, dear Alavi, I've sent you I've received your CV, regards admin, and that's all. Well, thanks for watching. Now that was all about the mail project of the JavaScript for the CS50 web programming with Python and JavaScript. Thanks, have a nice day.